Aloha. If I didn't say it before, I really suck at wiring, but some of the things that I found to be really helpful are these connectors. They have a low temp solder in the center, and then on both ends they have a yellow shrink wrap that shrinks around the wires. They're called, I don't know how to pronounce that, SOPOBY. And you just butt connect them, and I use this little cigar torch. Where is it? And heat shrink those little buggers to the wire. Use a little bit of heat shrink tape over them. Another thing that I've found that works better than these little twist-on connectors are these little metal paper clips. Allows you to clip the wires together really easily and quickly, and then take them back off. Another thing that I do when I'm using multiple colored wires is I try to use some electrical tape and match blue to blue, yellow to yellow, red to red. So no matter what wire it is, I don't get confused. Anyway, that's just my little tip for today. Also, this wire stripper is really good. Aloha.